Chapter 1. Our Universe. The Universe. When we look up at the sky, we see a vast space, a sky. The region beyond the Earth's atmosphere is called the space. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, and many other heavenly bodies are located in this space. Let us discuss these heavenly bodies. Our universe includes the sun, the moon, earth, the stars and all forms of life. Do you know how it is formed? It is believed that the universe was born out of a huge explosion called the Big Bang. At the time of the Big Bang, things in the universe were hot and tightly packed. After the explosion, all the things began to cool down and grow bigger. In this way, the stars and other heavenly bodies were formed. Our Earth was also formed in this way. The stars. The stars are huge balls of hot glowing gases. There are millions of stars in the sky. A special bright star that shines in the night sky is the pole star or North Star. Galaxies are large groups of stars. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. The Sun and our Earth are tiny parts of a galaxy known as the Milky Way. Some groups of stars form patterns in the sky. These patterns seem to look like the shapes of different objects and animals. They are called constellations. Orion and the Big Dipper are two examples of constellations. The solar system, Earth and the 7 other planets move around the Sun. The Sun, the planets, their moons and many other objects, such as comets and asteroids, together form the solar system or the Sun's family. The Sun is also a star. It has its own heat and light. It looks much bigger than the other stars in the sky because it is closer to the Earth than any other star. Planets of our solar system. Planets are huge heavenly bodies that move around the Sun. They also spin on their own axis like a top. They do not have their own heat and light. They reflect the light of the Sun falling on them. The 8 planets, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are important members of the solar system. After the Sun, they are the largest bodies in the solar system. All the planets travel around the Sun in oval paths called orbits. Let us read more about the planets. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. It's very hot during the day and icy cold at night because it has no atmosphere. Venus. Venus is known as Earth's sister planet because it's similar in size and is also rocky. It has thick clouds that trap heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth. Earth is our home. It has oceans, forests, and animals. It's the only planet known to have life. Mars. Mars is red because of rusty iron in its soil. It has tall volcanoes and a canyon. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet with colorful stripes and a big red spot. It has many moons, including the largest one in the solar system, Ganymede. Saturn. Saturn has beautiful rings made of ice and rock. It's the second biggest planet and has lots of moons, too. Uranus. Uranus is tilted on its side, so it looks like it's rolling through space. It's blue because of gases like methane in its atmosphere. Neptune. Neptune is dark blue and very windy. It's the farthest planet from the Sun and has many storms, including the fastest winds in the solar system. Other heavenly bodies. Asteroids are rocky objects containing rocks and metals that move around the Sun. They are called minor planets. About 3,500 asteroids are orbiting the Sun. Comets are tiny celestial bodies of balls of ice and rock revolving around the Sun. They become visible to us only when they come closer to the Earth. They usually have a small head and a glowing tail of gases. Meteor is also called a shooting star. It is a small stone-like object revolving around the Sun. Its presence can be felt only when it enters the Earth's atmosphere. Meteorites are parts of large meteors. Natural satellites. Moons, also known as natural satellites, orbit planets just like planets orbit the Sun. Natural satellites made from rock or ice are like space friends that planets have naturally. They're made from rock or ice and float around planets because of gravity. Each planet has its own set of moons, ranging from just a few to many. Earth's moon is a natural satellite that has been with us since the beginning. Jupiter has 95 moons, Saturn has 146 moons, Uranus has 27 moons and Neptune has 16 moons in all, till July 2024 NASA. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It has a rough surface that is full of craters. All the planets in the solar system, except Mercury and Venus, have their own natural satellites. The Earth has a large moon. Mars has two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos. Artificial satellites. Man-made satellites are like human-made helpers made from metal and special materials that people send in space for different jobs in space and on Earth. They're made by scientists and engineers on Earth. These satellites are sent into space to help us with things like watching the weather, talking on phones, and exploring space. Aryabhatta, launched on 19 April 1975, was India's first satellite, named after the ancient Indian mathematician and astronomer.